Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be like I know I've showed you my slime collection, but I thought hey, why not show them what I stored it in now? Like I was like, I don't need all these containers. Like I don't want to waste my containers. So I was like, hey, let me show them what I stored in them. This is a fun way to store your slimes. Like, you don't have to if you don't want to, but I just think how I stored mine are like really fun ways to store it. So I'm gonna show you the first one I stored. My smallest slime is in this little container. It's really easy to store. Like, you don't need you can get these anywhere. Like I got this from my cousin because in the vending machines. Yeah, this is in the vending machines. Oh, purple. That's so cool. Yeah, so you can store your slime in this, and I stored this purple one, purple small, and it's too big for this. We need like a much smaller container because it's too big. I mean, it's too small. So let me top this. Another slime that I stored is in this egg. Like, you can store your slimes in random objects. So I have this one. This is like my second favorite, or probably my last, because it has like these beads in them now that come out. They're scented, and they come out, and that's the part that I don't like because they're popping out everywhere. And yeah, but I still like it because I don't know, it can be a Christmas. I call this my Christmas slime, because it's like red beads and then it's like a light green, but it's still Christmas colors. So that's why I call this one Christmas. My small one, I just call it Junior Purple. I don't know why. So the next one I have, I stored it in this egg. I like to call this Pearly Blue. It's blue. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's blue. This is my favorite slime because it looks like a pearl one. I don't know if you guys can really see it. If you guys were with me, it looked like it's sort of like gold and pearly at the same time. This is my favorite slime. You see, it's clear, but it's kind of stinky. And this one has lots of air bubbles in it. Yeah, that's that slime, and it's really, really kind of pokey kind. I was gonna try to put beads in this one, but I was like, first let me try on one of them, because I don't want to mess up my favorite one. By the way, if you're wondering what the heck is this, it's a fishtail. Kind of looks like a bird on camera. Then I have this one. It's my biggest one. It's like a dark purple. My veins kind of yummy. Yep. This one is more like a putty now. But when you rip it kind of slowly, it comes together. But you can't no, at this one. You can't open it, but I mean is you can't go like this, like that. You can't open it like that, because if not, this is what happens. Just rips a giant hole in there. It can do that, but like if I go really slow and it's purple, sometimes it does it, sometimes it doesn't. So yeah, there's that slime. It's my biggest slime. I actually mixed it up with 3 of my other slimes. Then I have this one. It says old because it used to be orange, but this one is the same one as this one. I just took a piece to fix it, and I added lotion, and like I don't know if it worked, but this one is kind of more prettier because I added lotion to the other one I meant. And that one, like this one is way more pretty than the other one. But yeah. So I'm not gonna show you all my slime collection, but I'm just gonna say that was all of my slimes. No, I still have some more in here, but I'm not gonna show you all of them. It's not a slime collection. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. You can store them in anything. You can store them in you can store them in this. This is not. This is my Tide. And then this is, you can store them in these little containers. You can store them in, or you can just keep on storing them like these. I use this one to store 3 slimes, 1 in here, and then half. And then I had my glow-in-the-dark one in here, and then I had my pearl, supposedly. But yeah, or you can just stick with containers, but a fun option would be those. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video was kind of weird, but yeah, like and subscribe. Peace out, guys.